Hey everybody! On today's little video I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of design work. Most of the time you'll just see me freehand drawing onto whatever I'm going to be carving, but every now and again you need a specific size or shape, so I'm going to show you how I do my templates. I just use a combination of paint and publisher, so nothing fancy there, and we're also going to be doing the giveaway. Okay, this is a little slab of rock that my mum found me, and the first thing we got to do is trace around it and then draw a bit of a design onto it. Now that that's all done, you just scan it into your scanner. But you don't scan it into a scanner, you scan it into a computer. You don't actually need a scanner if you don't have a scanner. Oh wow, it's like how many times can I say the word scanner in one sentence, eh? Anyway, if you don't have a scanner, just take a photo of it and chuck it into your computer that way. Alright, I hope you can see this. I don't have the very best quality stuff as you guys know, but let's just get onto it, eh? Once you've got it into your computer, you open it up with paint and just like minimize it so you can see it. And then we basically just cropping out the part that we want. And you'll see why I've got the 9.5 centimeters written there in just a second. It sounds a bit strange, but the very first thing we want to do is flip it horizontally like that, and then we can copy that straight into a blank publisher document. So I'll chuck that in there and you'll see that it's massive. So right click, go down to format picture, that'll bring up this tab, and up here is something called size, and that's why we measured it earlier. The height we know is 9.5 centimeters, so we'll put that in there. We also want to rotate it just so we can get a proper sort of up-down sort of dimension.
Up, down, no look me, look fence.
So we're just going to guesstimate that. I'm thinking we'll start off with 330 degrees. That's made it a little bit better. Just zoom it in a little bit so you can see it a bit better, hopefully. Okay, might as well just go the full 100, eh? And I do want that a little tiny bit more, so we'll about 227. Whoa, what happened there? Didn't work. So what about 327? Whoops, I'll do it again. 327. And there we go. We've got it pretty much straight up and down, and we know that this is the 9.5 centimeters that we want. So once we get it to this stage, we've got to find ourselves a Taekwondo picture. So I've just done a Google image search, and this is the symbol that he wanted. So we're just going to right click and save this symbol, and then we'll tweak it into the other one. And now we just slap it into this one. And we'll do a very similar thing. We'll go down to format picture again, size, and this is why we actually measured the diameter of that circle. So we know that that was 6.5. Put it into either height or width. It shouldn't really matter which one because it's a circle. And then that'll bring us to this stage. And then all we got to do is sort of get rid of the square around it. Hang on a second. I just had a random thought. Always happens like right at the very end of a project, but give me a second, I want to try something. Because I've just scanned this in this time instead of doing a photograph, I'm wondering if I just copy the entire thing itself, the entire picture, and put it in here. Oh wow. There you go. So that should actually be the right size already. I'm just going to really quickly try this. If we go to crop, and we'll bring these down, and we'll just basically crop it to what we got out of paint. Well, keep in mind if this does work, you'll still need to use paint for that first bit if you're using a photograph. But if this does work, then yeah, if you've got a scanner, this will take out a little step for you. And oh wow. Okay, so you learn something new every day, eh? Anyway, let's just get rid of that one because I'm already pretty much finished with this one. And to get rid of the blockiness of it, go over here and there's a transparency tool. And it says set transparent color when you click on it. So basically click on that and click on there. And you can see that got rid of the sort of outline of it. And you can take this little step to finalize your placement. Whoops, what are you open for? And once you're happy with it, thinking that's pretty good, maybe over just a touch, all you got to do now is print it. And here's our little template all done up. Now you can pretty much either just glue this straight onto the piece that you're working with, or you can transfer it on with permanent marker. But the first thing I'm going to do is take you outside and show you why exactly I mirror imaged this in the first place. And this is why we had to mirror image it at the start. You can see that the way that I've traced it on is this way, which means that our end template will actually be going on this side. And the reason I've done that is because there's all this material here that I'm actually going to lose. So by mirror imaging it, you can see that it fits on there pretty much perfectly. If these lines are any bigger, these spikes are any bigger, I'd be losing them because I'm going to lose all this material here. And just as an example, this is one that I didn't mirror image. So you can see that that doesn't really fit at all. Like this part here is falling over, this part here is falling off, and even here a bit, and there's falling over as well. So yeah, that's why you got to mirror image it. Anyway, let's get on to this giveaway winner, eh? Oh, hello there. I didn't notice you. Fancy seeing you here. I'm just at the moment writing out all the comments from my latest video for this giveaway. So once I've got all these written down, I'll cut them out, chuck them in a hat, and then I'll find myself a random comment picker. Whew. That's all them done now. Just got to cut them all out. Okay everybody, I found my random comment picker again, so let's get on with this giveaway. Sorry in advance if I pronounce anybody's name wrong, but yeah, let's just go for it. That was a funny face, Carly. There we go, get in there all nice, get a random one. And who have we got? Read it out loud if you can. Who have we got? Oh wow, Serenity's Creative Works. Awesome. I actually kind of know this lady. She's a really nice lady. She's got 2 channels actually. I might as well give her a bit of a shout out now. This one's her secondary channel, and she's got another channel called Ren Around the Moon. I'll drop a link in the description for both of them. So congratulations, Serenity. Send me an email. What's with the face, Carly? Send me an email and we'll get all this sorted. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.